Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to add fundraising button in your WordPress website. So search this plugin Give WP. It's a very famous and popular plugin to add donation button or fundraising button. You can accept donations and being fundraising with Give WP, the highest rated WordPress donation plugin for online giving. So search this plugin and install and activate. Guys, if you are facing any problem to use this plugin, or if you need any help to use this plugin, so comment. I will resolve that error and that problem. So just guys install and activate and use this plugin. And also guys, share your experience. Are you like this plugin or not? Give your ranking for this plugin. So this is a short and basic video to learn how to add donation or fundraising button in WordPress website. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe the channel for more useful videos.